Hi guys, Gamer Mike here, and today I am going to be playing Bee Swarm thingy. And also, I made like a few extra things on Mint Tycoon, but it was really boring, so I think I'm just gonna not post any more videos. And yeah, I can buy another egg soon. Ooh, yes. Oh wait, what's the honey thing? Oh, okay, I'm pretty sure it gives you honey. Wait, do I still have quest? Okay, good. To kill one more ladybug. Here, I'll just kill this one over here. And yes. No. Bees attack! Attack! There we go. Some people are starting break tomorrow when the egg hunt starts, but I have to wait another 2 days and then my break starts Friday. Aren't I lucky? So triggered. Okay, anyways, yeah, so the egg hunt's coming out tomorrow, and for some reason, you have to be on, you have to have Google Play to get the egg. So I made my sister get it for me, because she had a phone. Well, I have a tablet, but for some reason, you need Google Play. So then I couldn't get it, so then I just asked my sister, and my sister gave it to me, and I went on Mia's account and got Mia it, so if Mia asks, why did I lose Robux? Tell her it was me, okay, guys? Okay, thanks. So I'm just gonna keep walking around, make my bees do all the work. Oh, okay. Well, I forgot what I was gonna say. We should probably get more stuff from the. Oh, wait. I killed another one, so I'm probably. Okay, I have a lot more to do. Let me. Guess this video, I'm gonna be doing a lot. I'm gonna buy. Okay, this is what I plan to do. I'm gonna buy a bee, use my royal. Wait, shouldn't it be like royal honey? Yeah, anyways, royal jelly on the thing if it's a normal one, and if it's a normal one, then after that I do not know. Then I'm gonna go there, talk to the panda bear, and then do the one quest, and then I'm gonna go over to the clover field, do the thing for the thing so I can get another thingy, and then, yes, that's pretty much it. Come on, almost 5 to 3,500. No? There we go. Okay, let's go. Yes, we are here. My bee's taking. Is my bee dead? Oh my gosh. I think my bee died, guys. My bee! I'm so sad because that was the first bee I ever got. It was like a. Wait. The first bee I ever got was a regular bee, but then I got, what was it? A demon bee. Yeah, I remember, because I got a demon bee the first time I opened one of the egg things, and I was just like, wait, isn't this supposed to be harder to get? And then I just thought I was just going to keep getting regular things, but turns out, well, after that I got, like, a rare, no, like, oh, which one did I get? Pretty sure I got Cool Bee. Wait, what? Yeah, I got Cool Bee. That's, rare. And so, yeah, after that, I thought life was gonna be easy. Okay, now we are gonna buy this. Already 4 minutes in. Okay, gonna buy this. Over here. Or should I place my bee? I'm gonna place it right there. Yeah, right there. Put it there. Okay, got a regular bee, but now I'm gonna transform it. Yes. Oh, I already have a brave bee. Right. Okay, now I am going to... Actually, wait. Yeah, I'm going to do the panda thing first. Talk to the panda bear. Oh, once I get... Wait, how many do I have finished? Once I get 3 more... Wait, bees don't come out of eggs. Wait, do bees come out of eggs? Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do. So anyways, once... No, don't attack me, don't attack me, don't attack me. I'm just trying to talk to the panda bear. So anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna talk to the panda bear. Five spiders. Oh my gosh, this panda means business. Maybe I should buy the event thing. I would buy this, but the egg hunt's coming out tomorrow, and I'm not trying to spend my Robux because I only have like 1,500. Wait. Like 200. That'd be like 400. Yeah, like around 2,500. So anyways, so if I spend it, then I'll only have like 2,500 left, and 1,500 left. Now I want to save Robux, like if there's any new limiteds or something. Talk to Brown Bear. Talk to Brown Bear. Wait, what? Oh, never mind, I have to. Oops. Gotta get more stuff from here. Please don't attack me. I just need... Okay, good, they're gone. I think my bees killed them, but that's okay. Because they were trying to kill us. We meant nothing. We weren't going to do anything. But they tried to kill us. What makes no sense? The bears, out of all things, try to help us. Like, aren't they trying to kill us? Yes, I got bees. Wait. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay, so... Now that we did that, we have to wait till tomorrow. Okay, 5 spiders. Takes 15 minutes for every spider to appear. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh my gosh. But I hate when you feel like you're going to sneeze, but like you don't, and you're just like waiting to sneeze, but you don't end up. How do I already have 14,000 honey? I think I got it from the... Alright, where am I? Bees, make me honey. Okay, how many... Okay, so I have 1, 2... Wait, what? Wait, are these common? Okay, these are rare, so that's fine. And this is common. Okay, so that'd be 3. 3 is this? Okay, wait. 3. Okay, 3. Okay, so 3. I only have 3 rares, and I need 5 rares so I can get into this place. Wait, do I have enough to get more? Another bee. I don't know, I already have 14,000 because I thought I just spent like... I need more. Well, looks like we're gonna have to kill a spider. Remember, kids, don't do this at home. Oh, and also, guys, I was gonna do the Ready Player One event, but Jailbreak is so laggy, and it's like super laggy, and I don't feel like dealing with lag, because it's laggy, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's see. If But we need to defeat 5. Oh my gosh, there's 2 spiders. There was never 2 spiders before. I only remember seeing... Okay, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so used to only there being 1 here. Come on, kill the spider. Okay, good job. Okay, now kill the other spider. No! You killed my spider. Why do you... Why did you kill my spider? Oh my gosh. You killed my spider. I am mad at you now. I'm so sad. And there's nowhere else you can get spiders. How many bees do I have? 7 bees. And I need 3 more bees. And then I can go in the secret area. And I don't want to make this video too long because then it's going to stop recording. And then I'm going to get mad at myself. And then I'm going to tell Mia the story. And then Mia's like, okay. We're just saying, guys, in all my videos, I have to mention Mia. Because Mia is my cousin. And yeah. How much more do we need? Okay, we're just gonna assault like 1,000. Yes, another thing. Okay, we're probably just gonna make this like 15 minutes. Okay, this is good. I think we got like 10,000 from the blah, 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 panda bear. Make me honeybees. Okay, so since I have 3 rares, I need 2 more. Okay, I think I can do this. Since I have now another, royal jelly. If I got a rare, and then a regular bee after this, and then get a rare, then I can do this. Say, Taco and Chad, if you think I can do this. Oh my gosh. Person has 17,000. Actually, that's not a lot. Anyways. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? All I want to do is buy another bee. But no, this game doesn't want me to buy bees. There. Now bees take like 5 years just to make the pollen. Oh my gosh, guys, my bee's alive. I thought it died. Pretty sure that was like 45 seconds in, and then I thought it died. Anyways. Open shop. Buy. Now we're gonna buy another bee. Oh my gosh, I like this backpack so much. It was totally worth the 40 Robux. Oh, and also I'm egg themed because I feel like it. Put that egg there. Okay, a common bee. We're gonna use some royal jelly on you. Epic. No, I don't want to be epic. Dang it. Well, I guess that's fine. I mean, that's good, because I got an epic out of... Okay, wait, which one did I just get? That one over there, okay. Okay, now we need to kill... Hopefully there's 2 spiders there, but... Oh, wait, I think it takes like 15 minutes for it to regenerate. If so, then, I'm gonna end this video right here. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. Wait. I got 5,000 honey, 4,000 honey, yeah. No, he's like killing all the... You're killing all the spiders. I'm disappointed in you. I'm so sad. I'm just gonna go up here. Gosh, there's a ladybug. There's 2 ladybugs. Just kidding, I can kill them. Wait, okay, never mind. Okay, guys, end this video right here because this is gonna take so long. So bye guys.